Okay, when your Instagram account is suspended, this is what you can do to appeal and unlock your account. Okay, first of all, we need to input this code to make sure we are not a robot. Secondly, we'll input our number. We'll first of all choose a look for our country code. And then we send the code. Okay, a 6-digit code will be sent to our mobile number. So, okay, I think the code has been sent to our WhatsApp. Let's see. Okay, here's the code. I'll just copy the code and then I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on next. As you can see here, it says that you submitted an appeal on the 1st of December 2024. So we'll wait and see what they'll do, if they'll unlock my account. Sometimes they will ask you to record a video of yourself and send to them so that they'll be sure if you are actually the owner of the account. So if they request for a video, all you do, you just click on record video. Okay, you click on take selfie. You see all the tips that they're giving you for a good selfie, right? Make sure you follow them so that they don't reject your review.
Sometimes they'll also ask for your ID card.
Okay, let's check now and see if our Instagram team reviewed our appeal and has approved or disapproved. So we'll go into our Gmail. As you can see right here, here they say your account is back on Instagram. You see, Creative Arte is back on Instagram. As you can see, this is the account and it's back on Instagram. This is it. Everything is intact, as you can see.